ready, I want to show you an easy way you can grab a badge from Yelp and display that on your website. And those of you who, for example, have a lot of good positive reviews on Yelp, you want to show it off. So that way, whenever somebody goes on your website, they're like, wow, you have 200 reviews on Yelp. So that's why Yelp made it very, very easy for you to show off. So what you do is you log into biz.yelp.com. Once you're there, it's very easy. You go to review badge all the way at the bottom. Once you go on there, there's various badge you can grab. The one I like the most is this one right at the top. Right? It will automatically update number of reviews you have, and you just have to grab this code and send it to your developer, and they just have to embed this code on your homepage somewhere prevalent on your website. That way, when somebody go on your website, this is exactly the preview. This is exactly what they will see. It auto updates the number of reviews you have. So, yeah, I really do recommend you to go on there, especially if you have a lot of good reviews. And you don't need that many, right? Even 20 is good. Put that on your website. That way, whenever somebody comes to your website, it's instant credibility, instant trust, and it's a great social proof.